Hi there, I'm back with another topic, communication, key to happiness. Well, communication is very important in everybody's life. Are you getting me? We all communicate in one way or the other. Everybody on this planet Earth, human beings, animals, all the living things do communicate in one way or the other. Are you getting me? So, communication plays a vital role, and just make use of that communication to enhance happiness, to unlock happiness into your life. Isn't that possible? Well, it is very much possible. Well, communication is broadly of two types. One is verbal communication, the other is non-verbal communication. Verbal is written, spoken, etc. Non-verbal is of gestures, postures, etc. Are you getting me? With these, if at all you want to communicate with one another, you communicate. When you communicate, there comes a smile on the other face where it gives clarity for the other person what you are trying to talk. Are you getting me? What is there in your mind will somehow will be communicated to the other person by all these means. Are you getting me? So communication plays a vital role and a major role. We all love communication, and in our day-to-day lives we include communication, isn't it so? So we all are happy but at times communication creates chaos is what we think and what people think as well. But yes, it occurs peripherally because, let's say, when there are two parties, one party is interested to solve an issue, the other party is not interested to solve. One party would be using verbal communication, the other party would be using non-verbal communication. Are you getting me? Under the broad category, both looks like communication, but one is like a knife and the other is like a sword. Are you getting me? So both generally looks like same things, but the knife means what, the smaller version of a sword. Are you getting me? So when you fight, who's gonna win? Obviously the one who's catching hold of sword is gonna win, right? Similar is the case with communication. When you go with verbal, the other goes with non-verbal. Maybe the one who's going with verbal might not understand the other person's non-verbal communication. There comes a chaos. Are you getting me? The second thing is, one party would be interested to resolve an issue. The other party also comes, but he or she is not interested to resolve an issue. Again, two different issues. Are you getting me? Two different thought process. One is positive, the other is negative. So again, there comes a chaos. Are you getting me? Peripherally, outwardly. But in general, what happens is, when somebody is interested to resolve an issue, the other person is not interested to resolve that issue, which means what? Somehow you have to understand the other person doesn't deserve. Are you getting me? Doesn't deserve the solution. You have to get rid of these kind of a persons. But at times for everything we can't go ahead with this. So which is why we have to see. For some time we have to give some space and time. Finally, if he or she is interested to resolve, anyways they have to come to consensus, and that is through means of communication. You both have to take the same kind of communication and solve the issue. Communication comes into picture finally as well. Are you getting me? So whatever be the case, communication is the major factor to clear an issue. But for some time, when one is ready, the other is not ready, obviously this comes. Are you getting me? So this is because of the time. Are you getting me? One is ready, the other is not ready. That's it. It's not because of communication the chaos is getting created. It's because of immaturity. It's because of interest and disinterest. Are you getting me? Because of this, you are creating unhappiness. Wherein communication, be it verbal or non-verbal, are you getting me? When you want to solve the same issue, when you want to talk about the same thing, Definitely, communication is the way. Even if you want to, even if you want to express difference of opinion, communication is the way. Are you getting me? So, communication plays a major role in increasing happiness. Why? I'll tell you. Way back, people made use of this non-verbal communication. Eventually, they somehow felt that this is not sufficient. We have to go with verbal, and verbal communication has come into picture. Are you getting me? Written form, language, everything has come into picture, which means what? They realize the importance of this verbal as well. So verbal or non-verbal, this is playing a role since so long. So now again, we are not interested to communicate because it's because of lack of awareness, lack of interest to avoid some things, and one person will be having maturity, the other person will not be having that maturity, because of which it looks communication is creating a chaos for a less period of time, for a short duration. This is true because initially when we start something, we don't know how to take it forward. It's a beginner's problem. It's not the problem with the communication, it's problem with the person or a beginner's role. Are you getting me? So communication is the greater weapon and the most important weapon to resolve and to get happiness into everybody's life. Communication, my dear friends, is an art. So try to enhance your communication skills. Are you getting me? Where, what to use, you have to understand. When verbal communication is required, somebody would be coming up with non-verbal communication, and that doesn't go. Because when non-verbal communication is required, maybe somebody goes on and on and on and on talking about something or writing about something. Are you getting me? So it's because of lack of clarity of thought, and because of creating confusion instead of clarity is the reason. Are you getting me? But communication has a great efficiency in itself to create the life into a beautiful thing. It gets happiness into each and everybody's life. So try to make use of the communication to resolve the issue, to express your happiness, to express your thoughts, views, and all of these things, and make your life a better one and take this world into a better place. That's all for now. Bye bye for today.